Welcome to the top picks. The best gift ribbons is probably one of the most versatile and aesthetically pleasing additions to any present, transforming a simple package into a memorable token of affection. Whether you're wrapping a birthday surprise, a holiday treat, or a just because gesture, the right ribbon can elevate the entire gifting experience, adding a touch of elegance, fun, or sophistication that speaks volumes before the gift is even opened. It's the finishing touch that shows you truly care, making the unboxing as delightful as the present itself. Number 5. JOYIN Christmas Wrap Ribbon Pull Bows. Elevate your holiday gifts with these stunning pull bows. They add a touch of festive charm to any present, making your gifts stand out. Choose from 12 beautiful assorted designs, featuring classic Christmas motifs like gold stars, holly, and festive stripes. There's a perfect design for every gift. Crafted from high-quality poly ribbon, these bows are designed to last. They offer a superior look and feel for all your wrapping needs. Transform your presents in just 3 simple steps, within a minute. They are designed for quick and easy assembly, saving you time during the busy holiday season. These versatile bows are perfect for more than just gifts. Use them to decorate wine bottles, baskets, Christmas trees, and add a festive touch to any party or wedding. Get a super value pack that includes 24 pull bows. It's the perfect accessory for all your Christmas gift wrapping and decoration needs. What we like? These pull bows are incredibly easy to use, requiring just a few seconds to assemble. If you're looking for a fast and convenient way to add flair to your Christmas gifts, baskets, or wine bottles, these are an excellent choice. They are perfect for anyone who wants to make their presents look festive without spending a lot of time. What people say. The ribbon is made of high-quality satin material, which gives it a luxurious feel and a beautiful sheen. It comes in a wide variety of colors, making it easy to find the perfect shade for any occasion. The ribbon is easy to cut and work with, and it holds its shape well when tied into bows. Number 4. Pink Ribbon 112-inch 60-yard satin ribbon. Introducing our beautiful single-faced satin ribbon. It's crafted from smooth, shiny polyester fabric, offering a soft touch that's resistant to wrinkles. This ribbon features a bright and sweet pink color, perfect for adding an indispensable festive atmosphere to your decorations and gift wrapping. Measuring 112 inches wide and 60 yards long, this ribbon provides ample material for all your creative needs. It comes conveniently spooled for easy storage and cutting. Elevate your gift packaging and crafts with this versatile ribbon. It's ideal for weddings, flower bouquets, party decorations, and so much more. Use it to create handmade roses, bows, or add a special touch to lay. It's also perfect for garden vase decor, craft projects, and flower arrangements. This ribbon brings a sense of romance, making it perfect for weddings and Valentine's Day. It's also a wonderful choice for Easter, Christmas, and graduation gift wrapping. What we like? This single-faced satin ribbon offers a beautiful, smooth finish in a lovely pink hue. If you're crafting leis, making handmade roses, decorating for a wedding, or adding a touch of sweetness to bouquets and gift wrapping, this long roll provides ample material. It's ideal for those who appreciate a classic, elegant look and need a generous amount of ribbon for various projects. What people say. The ribbon is made of high-quality satin material, which gives it a luxurious feel and a beautiful sheen. It's easy to cut and tie, making it perfect for gift wrapping, floral arrangements, and other craft projects. The colors are vibrant and true to the pictures, adding a festive touch to any occasion. Number 3. Hallmark Holiday Gift Wrap Accessory Kit. Get everything you need for a festive holiday season with this all-in-one gift wrapping accessory kit. It includes bows, tags, and twine to beautifully adorn your presents. Featuring charming classic designs like red trucks, trees, and snowflakes, these accessories add a special touch to your gifts. You'll receive a variety of bows, tags, and twine in festive colors. These versatile accessories aren't just for gift boxes. Use them to decorate wine bottles, potted plants, floral bouquets, or gift bags for an extra special touch. Make your gift stand out with minimal effort. This coordinating set of bows and tags with string makes personalizing presents for everyone quick and easy. Elevate your gift presentation. These accessory kits are the perfect complement to Hallmark's quality wrapping paper, gift bags, and boxes, ensuring a cohesive and beautiful look. What we like. This kit provides a complete set of coordinating gift wrapping accessories, including bows, tags, and twine. If you need a hassle-free way to dress up your Christmas presents with classic holiday motifs like trucks, trees, and snowflakes, this is perfect. It's designed for those who want to quickly and easily add a special, personalized touch to their gifts. What people say. The ribbon is made of high-quality satin material, which gives it a luxurious feel and appearance. The wired edges of the ribbon make it easy to shape and tie into beautiful bows that hold their form. The vibrant colors are true to the pictures and do not fade, making them perfect for adding a pop of color to any gift. Number 2. HOKI Cotton Bakers Twine Red and White 100m. Introducing the HOKI Cotton Bakers Twine in a classic red and white pattern. This 100-meter spool offers ample length for all your crafting needs. Crafted from durable cotton, this twine is perfect for a variety of uses. It's strong enough for packing and tying, yet gentle enough for delicate crafts. Elevate your gift wrapping with this charming twine. It adds a rustic and handmade touch to any present, making it extra special. Use it to tie up cake boxes and pastry packages, or incorporate it into your home decor projects. Its versatility makes it a must-have for any creative. Unleash your creativity with this essential crafting supply. From DIY projects to art and craft endeavors, this twine is your reliable partner. Beyond crafts and gifts, this sturdy rope is also suitable for light gardening tasks. Its reliable quality ensures it can handle various applications. What we like. This baker's twine is made from durable cotton, offering a natural and rustic feel. If you're tying up cake boxes, working on DIY crafts, gardening, or looking for a reliable string for gift wrapping, this 100-meter roll is a great option. It's suitable for those who prefer a sturdy, eco-friendly material for their projects. What people say. The ribbon is made of high-quality satin material, which gives it a luxurious feel and a beautiful sheen. It comes in a wide variety of colors, making it easy to find the perfect shade for any occasion. The ribbon is easy to cut and work with, holding its shape well when tied into bows. Number 1. Naler 24 Rolls Curling Ribbon. Discover a stunning collection of 24 vibrant colors, perfect for adding a festive touch to any event. This generous supply offers endless creative possibilities. Crafted from high-quality plastic, these ribbons are built to last. They split finely, making them incredibly easy to work with for all your crafting needs. With 21.8 yards on each roll, you'll have plenty of ribbon to go around. Enjoy a total of 525 yards, ensuring you're always prepared for your next project. Transform ordinary gifts into extraordinary presents with these beautiful ribbons. They are ideal for gift wrapping, adding flair to balloons, and creating stunning party decorations. From weddings and birthdays to Christmas and everyday celebrations, these colorful ribbons are the perfect accessory. They bring joy and festivity to any special occasion. Whether you're a florist, crafter, or simply love decorating, these versatile ribbons are a must-have. Let your imagination run wild with the endless decorating possibilities. What we like. With 24 vibrant colors and a total of 525 yards, this curling ribbon set offers incredible versatility. If you're decorating balloons, wrapping gifts for various celebrations, or creating art and craft projects, these rolls provide a wide spectrum of colors to choose from. It's perfect for anyone looking to add a festive and colorful touch to parties and gifts. What people say. Either ribbon curled very nicely and held its shape even through a few days of sitting under the tree. Some ribbon will fray during the curling process, but this ribbon is sturdy even though narrow as is necessary for a good, tight curl. These rolls are fantastic. I bought these 3 Christmases ago, and have used them for 3 years, including birthdays, other holidays, just because, art projects, and of course wrapping gifts for Christmas. I swear each year they get easier to use, are extremely long, perfect value for your money, aren't too thick, but are just perfect to add flair. The functionality is perfect, and I swear are never ending. Nice variety of colors and curls great. Fun to curl and mix the colors. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.